can see you guys there. Took a couple of tries, but yeah, I got you guys. So yeah, this is just a little talk vlog. This is just something I want to do. It's because I just recorded 2 times, and I failed both of those times. So I solved my problem. Oh, talk vlog. So I'm currently in my house. Won't be downloading any videos today, only this one and another one. I keep looking at the screen. So yeah, we're gonna be doing something awesome, and yeah. Look at my eyeballs. Yeah, so basically I'm tired as hell. So yeah, basically I'm sorry, but this is only a short video. And yeah, spoiler alert, I'm going to be making a gaming video, and please subscribe to this guy named Square Future 96 Space Lego. No spaces, it's just a Lego with the space. So I hope you subscribe. And I hope you guys have a great day.